TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hello everyone, Basil Chapman here, and this is the Tiger Financial News Network Noon Update. I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up in a few minutes, and also the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. We're looking at, and I've been discussing this for months now, well, many weeks, this range that I call the Chapman Wave Inside Track Repellent Zone. You see green and red. There's a little dash channel, rising channel. Every time the price of the Dow got into this range, it got repelled, and that didn't phase it from doing exactly the same thing today. However, what we are looking at is that there was a recycle in the nomenclature. In the Chapman Wave methodology, peak D is where other things can happen. So in this case, it recycled to a leg D. It's probably a peak D if there's no new recovery high today above 30,343, which I can't see how that would happen. But it's the candles that I said to my subscribers in my opening call that we're looking at. There was a Chapman Wave Roman candle, a very small one, on Friday. That is where it opens and makes a fractional little candle wick and then pulls back really sharply, but then closes about 50% off the low and makes that long wick at the downside. If the next session there is a move into the base of this candle, the wick, and it holds underneath the 50% mark of the wick itself, there's a real good chance you're going to test or even break the left side low. Well, we've done that. We've also broken the 14-period moving average, this red rising trend line. But look where we are. We're sitting right on it at 30,044 right now. Down just 133. The futures was down minus 600 earlier on this morning. So this is impressive. However, now look at this. The S&P, which has been a little bit weaker, also made that peak D in the recycle in the Chapman Wave. We spoke about this cup formation. I said, call it the Statue of Liberty. Boy, I don't know how to explain that, but in my mind, that's what I call it. And then you go from G/C to that modest new high of D, and then you pull back. Well, this also could look like a Chapman Wave second Roman candle. If that's the case, you've got to be careful, because if tomorrow or the next day, there is a 2-hour a price move below 3660 in the E-mini, in the S&P, that means you're going to test today's low. Let me just quickly do this QQQ. QQQ is pulling back, but it's down just 3. The IWM, which was holding really well, is also pulling back. But look, it's at the day's high. And gold is unchanged. It's about -1 off the huge today. There's a lot to talk about when we get back. Hopefully today for the Tiger Technicians.